Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can send messages using the iPhone Notes app. So I think it only works if both of the users have like iPhone. So you're just going to select the share button up here and make sure you select collaborate. That way people you invite to the Notes app can also like edit and like type stuff there. Then you're just going to send it to them and they'll be able to join your notes using the link. So that means you can like message people on the Notes app or not. But yeah, that is it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I will try my best to answer them all for you. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!